Let me get patrol over here.
Who you talking? You don't know what I'm talking to.
We'll get you in and out.
I'm not going in there, dude.
Just relax, man. We'll get you in and out.
In and out of what? Stop talking. Let's talk.
A perp on fire escapes.
How you gonna say some gangster shit like that?
Oh yeah.
Ah!
This person coming over to the same location when I was dating us. I said you'll be and rush.
How you do that
Fine,
to me,
off.
bro? What type of nigga are you, bro? You gonna let me slide through? Slide through.
Guys, just be careful. I don't know what you guys are saying.
You got a cat.
Cat! A fucking cat! You gonna shoot me for a cat? You gonna shoot me? Shoot me! But don't shoot the cat!
Well, then, if you want the cat to stay safe, you gotta come down, man.
Hey, yo, listen, man.
I'm listening.
I'm about to die. You
Okay.
talk about me being safe?
Why you gonna die?
Cause you gonna kill me. I'm not letting you handcuff me.
I ain't gonna kill you. I can tell you that for sure.
I'm not letting you handcuff me.
As far as you're gonna go is jail. That's it.
I'm not going!
Oh, you're gonna go today, sir. You just gotta deal with it.
I'm not. I bet you kill me.
Okay.
Wanna bet?
We gotta do what we gotta do, man. You're coming in today, so just
I'm
deal
not
with it.
going in.
Okay.
Hey guys, the apartment that he's in right now, is that the one that you guys are looking at?
Yeah, the door. Yeah, it's a male in the door.
I ain't
Control Sergeant, I have a suspicious person coming over at the same location. Permit 2 Frank. No policies, unknown person banging.
that shit used
Center's
me.
running the same. That's also one. Knock on the
She
door.
full advantage
That's the
of a
subject's
good
apartment.
For her. They did everything for her, man.
Yes, sir.
I did everything.
Well, you still gotta do what you gotta do.
Guys.
John.
You guys are fucking. No! You understand?
4.
I got no
Four.
family. I got nothing to lose. Leave me alone. Fuck you. I don't want to die. I want to fuck you. Fuck.
All right, John. Let patrol here. We're gonna go to the stairs.
Shut the fuck up! I want to die. Fuck you.
I'm on deep.
Fine,
Sarge,
Fuck you!
just stay here with one of the guys here. We gotta go to the stairs.
Yes, sir.
I don't want to do this.
Right, let's
I'm
go.
not calming down. Fuck this.
Let's go.
I want to die.
Can't get back in, Jake.
Yeah, we can.
Oh boy, rolling. Warrant, Sergeant.
That's what we want.
You got it outside.
What's the one, Sergeant?
Warrant, Sergeant.
Warrant, Sergeant?
So the subject's if I could have a couple units just stay outside, I will come inside.
Of course. One still Adam?
Yeah, we'll be
No.
Of
This
course.
stick. So I'll hold this. That's yours.
Warrant, Sergeant, you have ESU rolling?
That's all we care about.
I'm fine, keep your advised.
Bring it up.
Are we doing any more?
Oh, Come back. What's the knife? Knife! Let go of the knife! Let go of the knife! Put the knife down! Put the knife down! Put the knife!
Taser! Give me another taser!
Tase!
All right.
Shot fire! Move around! Move around!
All right.
Turn around!
No resistance. No resistance. The cat. The cat's a